Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be all about my hair color. My hair has faded tremendously, and it happens, you know, every time because I have red hair, my hair fades regardless. But this time it's faded a lot more because it's been in between. I'm in between colors. I've kind of slowed down on coloring my hair. I only do it now. I try to do it once a year, just to kind of let my hair grow. But I'm not going to actually do my roots. I'm just touching up my red because it's faded to like a brownish reddish color. So I'm about to just go ahead and retouch it. So I want to film this for you today. I get a lot. Let me slow down. I'm excited because I haven't filmed in a while. I get a lot of questions. Excuse my shirt, y'all. I have makeup and everything over my shirt, so excuse my shirt. I get a lot of questions about my hair color. What color is my hair? My true hair color is magenta and red by L'Oreal. That's the color that I truly dye my hair with. But in between colors, I do this maybe once every quarter, not very often. I put a rinse in my hair to revive my color. So with that being said, I usually use a red color rinse, but today I'm going to use a red color mixed with a purple color. I know. This color here is Rich Eggplant. I'm going to put this in my hair because I want like a purple hue, and usually magenta has a purple in it, but I want it to be a little bit more purpley. So I bought a little sample size for like I don't know, it's $1.99, something like that, for this in it, because I won't need a whole jar like this. I just need a little bit of purple. And then I have this Adore color. This color is in Wild Cherry. I usually use Wild Cherry, red, or magenta in this, but I really want it to be red, so I'm going to use Wild Cherry and magenta to create my own little cocktail of color today. So as you can see, my ends are the most processed of my hair and the most bleached, so of course my ends are lighter than my roots, so this is going to pick up the most color for me. So I'm going to go ahead and stop rambling and get this started. If you want to see me color my hair, please keep watching. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and don't forget to like this video. Okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start placing the color into the bowl. What you're going to need is a plastic bowl, and also the hair color. And I start off by putting the Rich Eggplant into the bowl first, and then I put in the Adore Red Cherry color. I put in the same amount of red as I did as purple, and to me, after I mixed it, it was a little too purple, so I went back and I added a little bit more red because I didn't want my hair to be looking like Barney, so I did more red to it as well. So this is the consistency, and now I'm ready to start. Alright, so first thing you want to do is put on gloves, and you should put some protective grease. Not grease, somebody use greases anymore. Vaseline around your perimeter so you won't have stained skin. But I'm kind of a pro at this, of coloring my hair, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so put the Vaseline around your ears and everything so your skin won't get stained. So I'm going to my hair's already been washed and conditioned. I'm gonna deep condition after I color my hair. I just did a detox on my hair. If you want to see that video, click it right above. But let's go and get started. And if you hear a baby in the background, that's my baby Mila. She's in her playpen and she wants to be a part of the video. Huh, Mila? You want to come say hi? Look, say hello. Say, I'm 9 months now. I'm 9 months now. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl, Mila. Look.
Mila.
Look right there. Look at your picture, mama. Look. She's amazed by the lights and everything that's going on, so let's go ahead and give her back to daddy. You gotta go back to daddy, mama, and she's spoiled rotten. She don't want to leave me. Oh. Alright, so I'm going to just literally just focus it on my ends because that is the oldest part of my hair, and this is the part that's the most faded. I really don't even know if the camera's picking up exactly how faded my hair is, but that's what I'm going to do. And you should wear like an old t-shirt, something that you don't care to get dirty because it's going to be stained. This is my husband's old shirt, so sorry baby. Take the color and apply it. And just so you see, this is the color. It's like a deep, ooh, this is really purple. Oh, I don't want it to be this purple. Wow. Alright guys, so this is my hair after I placed all of the color in my head, and I'm going to just go ahead and clip my hair up. And then I did place a plastic cap over my hair and let this sit in my hair for a period of time. Alright, so here is the moment of truth. I actually let the color sit in my hair for about, it's supposed to be 20 minutes and it ended up being like an hour. I went to my aunt's house, so I kind of like lost track of time, but I let it sit in my hair for an hour with no heat. Feel free to put heat on it if you wanted to seep in faster. But yeah, and I have on gloves because my nails are done and I don't want the ombre tips, so I don't want them to be red. So let's see how this hair looks. I'm a little nervous. Oh, it's darker. It's darker. Okay, but I like it. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. The purple hue looks pretty good. I mean, but it's still red. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and move to deep conditioning. I'm going to use, that's the back of it. I'm going to use this Joico Moisture Recovery, what is this? Treatment balm. So I'm gonna put this in my hair. I got this from JCPenney, so you can pretty much find this anywhere, I think. Ulta has it too as well. But I'm gonna deep condition my hair, and then I'll show you guys some clips of what my hair looks like. Probably tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do a wash and go. That's what I normally do, is a wash and go. If not a wash and go, then I'll probably do twist out. I don't know, but you guys will see. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. Deep conditioning, then I'm gonna style and off camera and come back and show you guys what it looks like after it's done, and I'm gonna also show you in natural lighting. So if you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe on your way out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Adrianne.